Dental implants are artificial tooth roots that are surgically implanted into the jawbone to replace missing teeth. They provide a strong foundation for fixed or removable replacement teeth, and are designed to look and function like natural teeth. Here's a general overview of the dental implanter process. Evaluation and planning. Before the procedure, your dentist will conduct a thorough examination, which may include X-rays or 3D scans, to assess the condition of your jawbone and oral tissues. A treatment plan is then developed based on your specific needs. Surgery. The implantation surgery is typically performed in stages. During the first stage, the implant is placed into the jawbone beneath the gum tissue. The gum is then stitched back into place, and the implant is left to integrate with the bone in a process called osseointegration. Abutment placement. Once osseointegration is complete, a small connector post called an abutment is attached to the implant. This extends above the gum line and serves as the attachment point for the artificial tooth. Digital impressions. Digital impressions of your teeth and bite are taken to create a custom-made artificial tooth, crown, or a bridge, depending on the number of teeth being replaced. Tooth replacement. The replacement tooth is then attached to the abutment. Dental implanter offer several advantages. Natural appearance. They look and feel like natural teeth. Durability. With proper care, implants can last a lifetime. Functionality. Implants function like natural teeth, allowing for normal eating, speaking, and oral hygiene practices. It's important to note that not everyone is a candidate for dental implants. Adequate bone density is required for successful implantation. If the bone is insufficient, bone grafting may be necessary. The success of dental implants also depends on factors such as oral hygiene, overall health, and lifestyle. Regular dental checkups and good oral hygiene practices are crucial to maintaining the health of dental implants. If you are considering dental implants, Dental Implanter is the most advanced digital implant center. Book your appointment. Link in the description.